Good morning. Today we're out and about on our Christmas walk. I'm not sure if it's a tradition yet. This is the second time we've done this walk. How many times do you have to do it before it's a tradition? Not sure. It could become one. Anyway, we are going to be doing a May Hill walk, slightly different from the one we did last time, but obviously going to go up May Hill. We've been to the garden centre already and had breakfast, and that was lovely. Had a quiz that Jeff produced, a Christmas quiz, so we're really feeling it. And now we're gonna, go for a little wander through the woods, and it's a lovely day, so come along. Can't find my elf hat, so I put the reindeer one on. Probably not gonna wear this all the way around. I'm gonna just revert back to my baseball cap. So this is Glass House, really good parking. And we're gonna be heading that way. Hey, say hello, everybody. There we go. Beautiful day. It's well, less than a week to go to Christmas. We've had loads of rain recently, so the paths are pretty muddy in places, but today is lovely. So nice just to be out. So yeah, the fresh air definitely doing me some good. Snack time. It's Christmas Percy Pig. Christmas! Oh, Christmas hat on. There we are. So this is May Hill.
Someone trips but no one falls. Our feet tap time to the gravel beat. The world feels small but the joy's complete. Christmas hats and tangled paths, echoes ringing out in laps. Round and round the trail extends, nothing beats a walk with friends. The skies are canvas, purple and gold. Stories we tell never get old. A silly song breaks the quiet air. Red hats wobble in the breeze. We march like dancers through the trees. Every step a memory made in this parade, this merry parade. Christmas hats and tangled paths, echoes ringing out in laughs. Round and round the trail extends, nothing beats a walk with friends. Christmas hats and tangled paths, echoes ringing out in laughs. Round and round the trail extends, nothing beats a walk with friends.
So that was May Hill, a little clump of trees that you can see for miles around. That was lunch, and now we're heading on back down through the woods near Newent. Hello. Hello, horsey. Hello, Santa. Excellent. We'll see you in the pub. So there we are. We are back at Glasshouse. Time for a quick trip to the pub, and the Christmas festivities will start. Well, I guess they started already with the walk. Anyway, this will be the last one for the year. Thanks for watching. See you next year, and I'll leave the route as normal. Merry Christmas. There we are. Christmas horse. That must be Jingle Horse. Oh, sorry, I haven't got any sweets. Jingle horse, pick up your feet. So this is where Santa comes to drink. Merry Christmas.